In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the pink line on iPhone screen. Let's get started. If you notice a sudden pink vertical or horizontal line on your iPhone display, first make sure it's not a minor issue by gently cleaning your screen using a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or smudges. Next, go to Settings, then Accessibility. Here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down, click on Display and Text Size. Now scroll down and head over to the option Color Filters. If this is turned on, simply turn it off as it can sometimes cause display color issues. After that, go back to the main page of Settings. Now navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version since outdated software can cause display glitches. Next up, if the issue still continues, try first restarting your device by pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button and holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. This can often fix temporary screen bugs. And that's it. One of these methods resolves the pink line issue on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.